So I just went around and shook the feeder to get the little bits. Sometimes when they eat, some that piles up in the middle. So sometime in the afternoon I go around, shake it, and make sure they all come to the edge so they can finish it. I just finished doing that. I went around and did all that. I'm talking, that's why they're running. So, and today is just water. Tomorrow, 2 days of coxie. They absolutely love this corner. That's their favorite. Anytime they feel threatened, they all run to this corner. Which is good, because even if they're stampeding, they can still breathe because of the wire mesh and the space over there. So, and it will be good for the beacon and fowl pups because they're all here. So we just basically capture as many as we can and do what we need to do and release them. My babies are growing. This is day 1 of week 5. Okay, so awesome. Like I said, week 6 we're going to do the second Newcastle and take it from there. But starting tomorrow, they'll be from 5 weeks going. They're going to eat 35 G per chick. Okay, so that when I do that times the amount that we have, I do 35 times 1500 times 1000. I think I got 55 kg. So it's 1 bag and 5 kg. That's what they eat in a day. 1 bag and 5 kg per day. It was actually 52.5, but like I said, because of food wastage and stuff, I always put like I've been advised to put at least 3 kg extra. So in case if they're wasting it, because you know they like to rinse, right? So they will still have some. Now you see what they're doing. Even though it's in there, they try to wet. I think that's what it is called. They wet. They use their feet to do that. Even though it's in the feeder, it's just nature. That's how they operate. Watch them. They're eating, but they feel like they have to use their feet. You see the feet movement. Okay, you guys are not doing now that I'm taking a video. You see, yeah, that one just did it. The one to the left just did it. Somebody's stretching. It's raining. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is something. Just me singing. It's raining. It's pouring. It's raining. It's pouring. It's raining. It's pouring. It's a rainy day. The color is officially here. They're so brown. It's raining. It's pouring. It's raining. It's raining. I'm doing this on purpose to separate them. Oh, no. Move. Look.
This is Anya.
Hi, Anya.
This is Elsia.
Hi, Elsia. So how would you know next time that you've still got Anya?
Elsia and Anya.
Oh my goodness. Are you sure?
Yeah.
So all these are Elsa and Anya.
Yeah. Mommy, it's crooked.
Elsa and Anya. What are you doing? Leave them alone. Hey, did you say no to me? Come back here. Just leave them alone. Michelle, go in that corner and separate them. Gently. Who are these?
This is Elsia and Anya.
Again. Michelle, get out.
Mom, how come one has a red beak?
It's a male. Michelle, get out. Get out.
I want to get the male.
Oh my gosh. Don't get them too stressed. Just put them down and let's get out.
Wait,
Natalia, you're making them stress. Oh my gosh. Don't bring your babies to the farm. It's gonna peck your eye, you see. Natalia, you wanna get the cock? Daddy will have to help you. Benjamin.
No, that one is Krista.
You can see this is obviously a male.
His name is Krista.
He's bigger than all the other chicks.
Mom, it's Benjamin.
So when they start laying, they will take him out so he doesn't fertilize the eggs.
What does this monkey do?
When they start laying, no, he's going to be
Benjamin.
mounting the chicks.
What now?
Well, he's going to want to try and make babies with the little ones. So we move him when they start laying so he doesn't fertilize the eggs.
What is it called? Benjamin.
Hi, Benjamin.
Mommy, it's Benjamin the Great from Elsie and Anya.
Oh, God. So we have the frozen farm. Is this the frozen farm?
Elsie is sleeping. Mom, Elsie is sleeping.
Okay.
Baby cat.
You can put Benjamin down. Let him fly down. Bye, Benjamin. Bye-bye. He's bigger than all the other chicks.
So,
He eats a lot.
baby cat.
Ah, but you and your baby careful. Bye-bye.
No!
Put Benjamin down and get out.
Benjamin doesn't want the chest again.
You guys are not listening now. I'll start spanking you. And I what for ya nephew? Right now he's too young. Put Benjamin down. Oh my God. Bye, Benjamin. Have fun.
Ugly Benjamin.
You're sour. Sore loser. Whew, that was exhausting. I had to threaten them with a bar for them to leave the coop. Oh my gosh. Week 6. They're running away because it's raining. So they're all piling up here at the bottom because it's raining. Look at them. Blind in one eye. Yeah, 6 weeks old today. Hello, Connie. Watch hello, Connie. On your body. Yeah, sure. Week 6. See them. Look at them. See those ones. Hi, girls. Happy Sunday. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Happy Sunday. You're on vitamin today. We are officially, that's the generator. We are officially 7 weeks. So now they eat 70 kg per day. 70 kg per day. 7 weeks. They look beautiful. They are thriving. No mortality rate. They are eating very well. It's not even afternoon and the food is finished. So that's good news. They still don't like me though, but they have no choice. And today they're drinking Amprolium. We switch between Amprocox and Amprolium. Amprocox is more stronger than Amprolium. So just so they don't get used to one, we switch between Amprocox and Amprolium. They're both for coxy, so we are switching. So for the past 2 weeks, they've been on Amprolium, but before then they were on Amprocox. They're running away from me, so I better get out soon. But as you can see, yeah, nice and healthy. We haven't noticed any pecking yet. They got their second Newcastle because at week 6. So the next one will be fowl pox at week 8. That's when we're going to do the fowl pox. So far so good. They've done all their Gumboro. They've done up to second Newcastle. The third Newcastle is like just before they start laying. So fowl pox is what's next on the list. Okay, bye-bye. I'm leaving. You don't want me here, fine. Bye. We are currently on grower, and they're going to be on there to week 9. No, so end of week 9. So we have 2 more weeks. This is just for like 2 weeks. This is ridiculous. And then they're going to be on developer from week 10 to week 19, I believe, and that will be a total of 114 bags. And right now one is 340, so times that by 114, and that's if they don't increase the price by the time I get money to buy it. So if I've bought all the growers, so I'm good. My next target is buying the developer, and that's gonna cost me 36,000 to 40,000 Ghana cedis, and I haven't raised the money for it. So at least I'm okay for like 2 to 3 weeks, and then I have to figure out the developer situation. Okay, and this is all before they start laying. You buy well over 230 to 240 bags of feed before they start laying and bringing in money. So if you don't have money, you are in trouble. So that's why it's important to prepare. And to be fair, in the beginning we were taking care of the old layers and this, so we couldn't really buy a whole bunch of feed. We bought like as we needed, until we were able to raise enough money to buy in bulk. So that's the update. Yep. So grower developer is next, and like I said, 114 bags, and as of today one is 340 per bag, so it's not going to be cheap. So I'm thinking about raising money somehow to get that. So because they still have about 2 to 3 weeks, but because I've bought this, I bought it at 365. So if they increase it in the next 2-3 weeks, it doesn't affect me because I've already bought it. So imagine if I'm buying it weekly, then increment really affects me. So I'm trying to find the money, buy the developer at bulk, so when the prices increase, I couldn't care less. That's my plan right now. So 114 is not going to be cheap. So I might not buy it all at once. So I'll probably buy half of that, which would be 57 bags times 340. Get that and then do the rest as I get money. Okay? And we don't put the feed on the ground. So we always have to make sure it's elevated. Don't go in there. Leave them. They look very beautiful. Yeah, relaxing. They are relaxing. They are relaxing. Close it so they don't come up. Yes. For what? They look very good for week 7. They are 7. Who is this model? And what is she doing here? Get out.
No. Mama, door is open.
I told you to keep it shut.
I did close it.
Not well enough. Why are you in here? Everybody get out. Let me, give it to me, give it to me. I want one. I want to see how they look. Wait. Hi. Week 7. Very healthy. Don't see. Okay. Natalia, let's get out. When I'm in there, they don't act like this.
Okay.
So yes, guys, that's it. It's not easy going to work with the kids, but they have vacations, they have weekends, and mama has to work. So sometimes I take them and they feel like they have to be in the coop, but they're there to play. They don't know it's a business. So yes, it's not easy going to work with them, but we got to do what we got to do. So thank you for watching. This is from week 5 to week 7. They're growing beautifully. And of course, I'll update you when we're doing the fowl pox. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. And as always, smile. See miracles in life every day. Okay. Bye, guys.
They still don't like me though, but they have no choice.